Welcome back to the Drive Analyst, your premier destination for deep dives into the absolute pinnacle of automotive engineering, design, and luxury. If you love cars that push the boundaries of what is possible on four wheels, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and turn on notifications so you never miss an analysis. Today, we are looking at something truly otherworldly. Mercedes-Benz has long been the gold standard of premium transport, but when they unleash their ultra-luxury Maybach division without any constraints, the results are legendary. Feast your eyes on the future. This is the 2027 Mercedes-Maybach Celestia. Let's start with the exterior presence of this absolute masterpiece. When you look at full_front_view_2K_2026071415443.jpg, the initial impression is nothing short of breathtaking. The front fascia completely redefines modern automotive lighting. Instead of a traditional open radiator grille, the Celestia features a massive, illuminated panel adorned with a mesmerizing matrix of the iconic Maybach double M motif and the classic Mercedes-Benz three-pointed star pattern. It glows with an ethereal, soft white light that outlines the entire central shield, anchored by a prominent, floating chrome Maybach emblem right in the center. Flanking this radiant centerpiece are ultra-slim, multi-segmented LED headlights that look like precision-cut diamonds casting a sharp, futuristic gaze onto the road. The lower bumper is seamlessly sculpted with massive chrome-ringed air intakes that emphasize the car's commanding, wide stance. Moving along to the side profile is captured in same_front_left_side_side_2026071415443.jpg, the Celestia reveals its true majestic proportions. It is an incredibly long, low-slung grand tourer that bridges the gap between a high-end luxury limousine and a sleek hypercoupe. The paintwork is a flawless, pearlescent satin white that shifts tones depending on how the ambient light hits the bodywork. Notice the absolute lack of traditional door handles or standard side mirrors. Instead, ultra-slim aerodynamic camera pods serve as mirrors, maintaining a completely uninterrupted, smooth bodyline. But what truly captures the attention from the side are those magnificent, oversized multi-spoke turbine wheels. They feature an intricate, densely packed spoke design finished in contrasting chrome and deep bronze accents, making the car look like it's moving at hypersonic speeds even when sitting perfectly still. As we transition to the rear three-quarter angle shown in rear_text_remove_and_add_2026071415443.jpg, you can truly appreciate the aerodynamic flow of the roofline. The glasshouse tapers back into a beautiful fastback design, sweeping down effortlessly toward a highly sophisticated rear deck. There is a prominent Maybach crest elegantly stamped on the rear pillar, a subtle nod to the vehicle's elite heritage. The muscular rear haunches flow into complex, multi-layered aerodynamic side skirts that optimize airflow while grounding the car visually. When you step around directly to the back of the vehicle, as seen in full_view_same_car_2026071415443.jpg, the design language remains unapologetically futuristic. The rear lighting signature mirrors the sophistication of the front. The taillights are sharp, floating LED loops wrapped in high-gloss dark housings, featuring internal glowing geometric patterns. Below, the lower diffuser area integrates incredibly unique, mesh-like glowing amber elements that act as functional aerodynamic vents while creating a stunning visual contrast against the pearlescent white body. The integration of the brand lettering and the classic Mercedes logo is executed with millimeter precision. Now, let's open the doors and step inside, because the interior of the Celestia is where Mercedes-Maybach has truly constructed a sanctuary. Looking at full_interior_luxury_interior_long_LCD_2026071415443.jpg, the cockpit feels less like a car and more like a luxury yacht's command bridge or a first-class private jet. The dashboard is completely dominated by a pillar-to-pillar hyperscreen, a continuous sweeping glass display that integrates the driver instrument cluster, the central infotainment hub, and a dedicated entertainment screen for the front passenger. The steering wheel is a futuristic, flat-bottomed masterpiece wrapped in carbon fiber and premium white leather, framing a highly detailed augmented reality navigation system. The center console features an exquisite open-pore burlwood trim with inlaid geometric gold pinstripes, leading up to a secondary control screen and a massive, jewel-like rotary controller. Soft blue ambient lighting wraps around the cabin, highlighting the intricate quilted stitching on the ultra-premium white leather seats and casting a serene glow over the entire cabin. If you think the front seats are spectacular, the rear passenger compartment is where the Celestia asserts its dominance as the ultimate chauffeur-driven vehicle. In rear_view_and_and_view_at_202607141543 JPEG, we get a view from behind the front headrests, showing individual high-definition entertainment screens mounted for both rear occupants. These screens offer independent climate control, media streaming, and vehicle tracking. The central console extends all the way through the rear cabin, covered in that same magnificent wood veneer, housing hidden tray tables, a refrigerated compartment for champagne, and dedicated wireless control tablets. Taking a step back to look at the entire rear seating configuration in full_rear_seats_view_2K_202607141543.jpg, you can see the absolute dedication to comfort. The rear cabin is strictly configured for 2 VIP passengers. The individual executive seats are wrapped in perforated, diamond-quilted white leather with dark contrast piping and pillows featuring embossed Maybach crests. These seats can recline completely into a zero-gravity position, offering heated, ventilated, and hot stone massage functionalities. Overhead, a massive panoramic glass roof split by an elegant structural spine allows natural light to flood the cabin, while an integrated Alcantara-lined roof console houses localized ambient lighting and climate controls. The door panels feature integrated high-end Burmester audio speaker grills that look like custom jewelry pieces, promising an acoustic experience that rivals a live concert hall. The 2027 Mercedes-Maybach Celestia is not just a car, it is a statement of ultimate luxury, a masterclass in design, and a preview of what the absolute pinnacle of automotive travel looks like. It seamlessly blends ultra-high-tech electric architecture with the timeless, handcrafted luxury that has defined the Maybach name for over a century. What do you think of this rolling palace? Would you choose this over a Rolls-Royce or a Bentley? Let me know your thoughts down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive analysis, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the Drive Analyst, and share it with your fellow car enthusiasts. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in the next one. Keep driving forward.